Hey there, IELTS aspirants. Welcome back to our channel. Are you struggling with IELTS writing task 2? Don't worry, we got you covered. In this video, we'll share 5 tips for IELTS writing task 2. So let's get started. Tip number 1. Understand the question. Well, this might seem obvious, but it's crucial to read the question carefully. Identify the topic, task, and the tone required. Let's take a look at a real life IELTS exam question. Some people believe that university education should be free, while others argue that students should pay for their own education. Discuss both views and give your own opinion. In this question, the topic is university education. The task is you have to discuss both the views and you have to give your own opinion. What is the tone? The tone is formal and academic. So, when you're doing this topic identification, task identification, and the tone, you should also underline and highlight keywords and phrases that will help you build up the answer. Tip number 2 is plan your essay. Take a few minutes to brainstorm ideas, organize your thoughts, and create an outline. So, you should be able to identify the main points and supporting details. Let's go back to the previous question. Here's a possible outline for the above question. You should have the introduction. Then the next thing that you have to be doing is argument in favor of free university education, then argument against free university education, then your own opinion and the conclusion. Having a clear outline will help you stay focused and ensure your essay flows logically. Tip number 3. Use cohesive language. Use linking words, transitional phrases, and cohesive devices to connect your ideas and paragraphs, like pronouns, repetition, and you should also be varying your sentence structure and vocabulary. For example, let's say you're writing about the benefits of free university education. You could use linking words like moreover, additionally, and however to connect your ideas. So here is the sample para. Moreover, free university education would benefit society as a whole. Additionally, it would allow students from low income backgrounds to pursue higher education. However, some argue that free university education would be too costly for the government. This can actually go into the next paragraph. Here you could also write one example to substantiate your point of view. Using cohesive language will make your essay more readable and coherent. Tip number 4. Focus on grammar and vocabulary. So make sure that you use a range of grammatical structures and vocabulary relevant to the topic. Make sure that you also avoid grammatical errors and repetitive language. You should be using synonyms to avoid any kind of repetition. Also, proofreading would help you avoid any grammatical errors once you're done writing the answer. For example, let's say you're writing this particular free university education impact. So there could be some vocabulary that you could be using like implementation, profound, accessibility, particularly, pursue, burden, financial, debt. These words would increase your chances of getting a high score in your lexical resource. Using accurate grammar and vocabulary will help you express your ideas clearly and effectively. Let's move on to tip number 5, which is practice, practice, and there's no doubt about it. The more you practice writing essays, the more comfortable you will become with the format and the better you will be able to expressing your ideas clearly and coherently. So try practicing with real life IELTS exam questions like some people believe that technology has improved our lives while others argue that it has made our lives more complicated. Discuss both views and give your own opinion. When you're done writing the answers, get a feedback from teachers or peers. That's it for today's video on 5 tips for IELTS writing task 2. Remember to understand the question, plan your essay, use cohesive language, focus on grammar and vocabulary, and practice regularly. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and we'll see you in the next video.